Alright, we're back. Meat's brown. Sorry about the look. Aaron was being an idiot. So, everything's seems to be in there and half cooked. We've got red kidney beans. Gotta have them in the chili. We got some sauce. So, let's open her up. Open the sauce. Can over there. That's a real pain in the butt. So I want to actually empty out all the juice. Man, that looks like snot. Look at that. How appetizing. Red snot. Alright, good enough. I hate that. You try to drain it and it gets stuck in there. There we go. Alright, let's add these up. Should probably drain that. I don't know, what do you think, Aaron?
I think it should be drained, yeah.
You think it should be drained? Let's drain it. Don't lose the food. It's only like a matter of time before it just all falls off. That's good enough. We'll keep some flavor in there. I'm gonna mix this up real nice. I mean, simple things can fill you up. Simple ingredients. I mean, there's nothing fancy about what I do, what I can do, because I can't do anything fancy. But, you know, maybe one day cook something fancy on here. This is going to be a real thick chili. Just want to have a little taste. Not bad. It is kind of a bit bland. Kind of hoping for a little bit more flavor, but sauce in there. Get my two favorite spices. Got some, what these are is onion powder and oregano. Or some people like to call it oregano, which is stupid. I shouldn't say that. Some people have accents, and that's how they pronounce it. But maybe add a bit more bean in there. So, it's pretty well done. I think there's nothing else really throw in there, so I think we can plate this up. So, let's grab a couple bowls. Doesn't take a long time at all to do this. Those forks. Okay. Better space. All right, Aaron, I'll have you sit right there. All right, dude.
Oh, this does look good. Ah, it's hot too.
So,
I like it a lot.
give a rundown.
It's definitely a funny looking chili. Like you said, it is pretty thick, but I don't have any complaints. I love all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes good.
So, okay, like, as you bite into it, like, what's happening? Like, what kind of flavors are you? Like, is there a strong flavor, a weak flavor, medium? Does it kind of creep up on you? Like, what's it all about?
It's the Tabasco sauce. The
Yeah.
hot sauce you added. Only the after flavor, not the spiciness of it.
Only the okay. So, how's the spiciness? Because I got jalapeno in there too.
And it's not too spicy. Well, actually, there is a little spice to it.
Yeah.
I think that's the Tabasco sauce. Yeah. Yeah, I taste a little bit.
So, you think I added a little bit too much Tabasco?
No.
No. Okay.
No, it's perfect.
So, 1 out of 10.
8.
8. All right.
I like
Well.
this. It's really good.
So yeah, like, I mean, that's, you know, it's up to you. Does it look like chili or doesn't it? You know, leave something in the comments. You know, if you like what you saw, you know, leave a like and you know, maybe write something down. If you don't like it, you know, write down, okay, like, dude, what are you doing? You should have done this better. You should have done that. Let me know, because this is kind of an educational thing for me too. And you know, there's some other poor slob out there like me that you know, needs to know how to cook something or have an idea for cooking something. Well, here you go. IPMGAMER cooks food for you, and you know, here's an idea. Cook it the way you want. You don't have to cook it like me, but maybe this will give you an idea. So, like I said, subscribe to the channel. They've always got stuff pumping out every day. And we're going to have a lot more stuff other than, you know, cooking and vlogs and some video games. We've got some other stuff coming up too. So, just stay tuned. And we'll have lots more great stuff for you. So I'm IPMGAMER, Aaron Woods. We're going to sign off.